Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See the operations, what operations we are having. Concatenation. If you want to join them 2 or 3 tuples more than according to your requirement. So tup1 is equal to, I have some information like 10, 20, 30. Tup2 is equal to Python, C, Java. So I just want to add them together to make it as a single tuple. So print of tup1 plus tup2. So plus is a concatenator here. It is not an addition symbol here. You can see concatenation works in tuple. Repetition means if you want to repeat the same sequence the specified number of times, it is going to repeat. So print of, write the name of the variable. How many times? 10 times. You can see. This is like a repetition. Indexing. Indexing is nothing but accessing the element name through the position. So let's take the example here. So print of tup1 of 0. You can see 10. Element name is 10. So you can access the element either in the forward indexing or in the reverse indexing way. So tup1 means 2. Print of tup1 of 2. If you want to access the same element in the reverse order, just write the tup1 of -1 means 30. You can write like a print of tup1 of -2 means 20. Same you can write like a -3 means 10. Next, slicing is nothing but accessing a small part of tuple. Just it takes like a 3 arguments, like maybe this is my tuple list here. Let's take this part. A is equal to some information I taken. So here I'm going to write something like Java, something like C++, .NET, and you have something like Python. So this is the tuple. So in this I want a small part. Maybe I want only the Java, C++ only I want. Then you can, slicing takes 3 arguments. One is start value, stop value and step value. Start always include, stop exclude and step value is optional. So let me write the code. Print of A of, in the square bracket only need to write the numbers. So start value, I want Java and C++. Expected output is only Java, C++. This is my expected output. So write the position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start value. Start position is 5, 6, 7. If I am giving the 7, 7 minus 6 means up to C++ only prints. If you want to reverse the whole tuple, so you can write like a -1. You can see the whole tuple reversed. Maybe if you want to every second element only you want to print. Maybe my requirement is 10, 30, 20, C++, you can see this is the expected output, C++, comma Python, only this. Then how to write? So first you need to write the variable name. First start value is 0, 0 2, the whole tuple 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, you have to write like a 9. And every second value you can see 10 means 0 means 10, so first value. If I write like a two step means the one will be skipped and two, next this one, next. So you can write like a 2 here, the step value, every second value will be printed. So first 10, that is 0 means 10. Next 30 printed, because you can see I mentioned like a step value is 2, that means every second value, this is second value, again first value, second value, first value skipped, second value, first value skipped and second value, like this. If you write like a every third value you want to print, every third value you want to print means 0 to 9, you can write like a third value means first 10 will be printed, these two numbers will be skipped and third value is 10. Later C++. You can see this is the way. So slicing you can do it in the forward way and the reverse way, because reverse way the numbers is -1, -2, -3 like this. Next.